Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neha and I'm back with another video. As always, if you are new here or if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then I would love if you could take a moment and subscribe to my channel down below, and also give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Also, I need to film this intro like really fast because बारिश होने वाली है and then मैं घंटों तक ये video film नहीं कर पाऊंगी. So I have figured out ways where you can click really cool pictures at home with the minimum number of things required, and you don't need to go out to click pictures. Also, I've used both phone as well as DSLR to click these pictures just because I wanted to experiment. But कोई problem नहीं है, you can use phone to click all of the pictures. They'll turn out equally well. So if you guys are interested, please keep watching.
So for the first picture, we'll be starting out pretty easy and simple, and we'll be using dupattas as our backdrop. So basically I've just tied these dupattas somewhere high on the wall, and I'm joining them together using either clothespins or some safety pins, whichever you prefer. Now you can create such classic, amazing backgrounds using just various dupattas as your backdrop. Try to match your outfits and the pictures turn out so well. Okay, so many angles of my face. बस नेहा, बस हो गया. For the next picture, I'm basically just going to put this pink flower in my mouth. I know it's a little weird, but trust me, the pictures will come out good. So I'm basically just putting this bedsheet over my head and then putting my phone inside the bedsheet and clicking some selfies like so. As you can see in photos, my face utna nahi dikh raha, so try to bring your hair in front of your face to frame it. Also, the messier the hair, the better the pictures look. And yeah, click some selfies, edit them, and you're good to go. In the next picture, we are gonna be creating our very own spotlight. So for making this, you basically need some cylindrical roll. I used a toilet paper roll, some duct tape, and obviously your phone. So you just need to attach this roll to the front of your flash using some duct tape. Now I don't know about your phone, but my phone does not allow to use the camera while using the flash. So that is why I downloaded this app called MX Camera, just telling you in case you need it. So I'm basically just setting it up on a tripod. If you don't have it, just keep your phone in between a stack of books. Also make sure to keep the flash at an angle and not straight to your face, because that just ends up giving really harsh highlights and shadows. In this picture, highlight आपका एकदम अच्छे से pop करेगा. Also, I'll be honest, the pictures do come out a little pixelated because it's taken in darkness. But if you edit them well, the pictures look bomb AF. So for the next picture, I'm basically creating my very own setup. As I'm wearing a pink dress, I wanted to make sure that all my elements are pink. So I just took this white bed sheet, kept my pink pillow and a book, and also added some pink flowers which I got. Now as you can see, I'm trying to set up the tripod, but later in the video, मैं इस ट्राइपॉड को बेड के ऊपर रख दूंगी because I wanted a very top angle of my photo. One suggestion when you're taking pictures like this where you're creating a setup with many elements, always try to take top angle shots and wide angle shots, because it's easier to crop the remaining extra stuff in your picture rather than having to lose some elements because of taking close-up shots. Now I know it would be a little difficult to click these pictures alone क्योंकि आपको बार-बार उठ के click करना पड़ेगा camera and then come and pose. But a little bit of hardship is okay for good pictures. As you can see my struggle here. For the next picture, I just wanted to use rain as my backdrop because अभी बहुत बारिश आ रही है and I also use these stickers on my face. Don't ask me why, because मुझे भी नहीं पता. And this is my beautiful setup. Now since there is water in the background, I wanted to splash some water on the glass so that वो water effect आ जाए in the front as well as in the back. So I did make a little mess, but I ended up cleaning it, so it's okay. And yeah, then just pose and pose. In the next one, I'll be basically using a flower as an outfit. Now I'm gonna tell you the easiest way to do this. You just basically need to make a dent on the stem of the flower 1 or 2 centimeters away from the top, and then attach this flower to your camera or your phone using some tape, and that's it. In the other videos that I've seen, you need to hang the flower, and I'm telling you, you'll end up messing the pictures because वो इतना move करेगा. But in this setup, you can basically just adjust how big or small you want the flower to look by moving the flower closer or away from the camera.
So this was it for this video. I hope you guys liked all of them, and if you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also comment down below which of these was your favorite, and if you're gonna try any of them, I'm sure they'll turn out amazing. Also please subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you soon with another one. Till then, bye.